Good afternoon. I am Emily Cortiguera of the Forest Products Research and Development Institute. We present to you Project 3 titled Processing Facility for Bamboo Musical Instruments and Other Lignocellulosic Materials. This is under the Bamboo Musical Instruments Innovation Research and Development Program. For the rationale and project description, lignocellulosic covers a range of plant molecules or biomass containing cellulose with varying amounts of lignin, chain length, and degrees of polymerization. This includes wood, bamboo, rattan, grasses, and in other continents, bamboo is frequently chosen for the manufacture of wind, string, and percussion instruments. They are also suited for the manufacture of xylophone bars, chimes, flutes and organs, violins, sitters, violin bows, and even strings. In the Philippines, most of our indigenous or traditional instruments are also made from bamboo. These are being used in rituals and festivities. However, most of the musical instruments lack the needed requirement for durability, aesthetics, and quality because they are marred by stains and easily infested by powder post beetles. The Bamboo Musical Instruments Innovation R&D program aimed to improve the product quality through the generation of appropriate technologies on the proper treatment of bamboo materials. These are on the chemical treatment, seasoning or drying, thermal modification, and finishing. Currently, the potential market for bamboo musical instruments are students under the K-12 curriculum, which has a potential annual requirement of 10 million pieces of instruments. As innovations in lignocellulosic demand high performance, low cost products, the facility will serve as a bridge between product developments from R&D to an upscale production. The BMI Processing Center established at FPRDI houses the necessary equipment for making BMIs. It will also serve as a venue for training teachers, students, and interested investors on the construction, assembly, and tuning of bamboo music. These are samples of the top prototypes we have produced. First, we have the angklung, which were made from beto or black bamboo. And then we have bumbong made from kawayan tinik and black bamboo. And marimba from kawayan tinik. And we also have used laminated or engineered bamboo. For the potential impact in the industry and or society in terms of adaptation of the project or program results for the BMI makers with upscale production of their products, there is going to be an opportunity for them to earn higher income. And with improvement on the quality of the products, there will also be chances of higher or better marketability and employment generation. For teachers and students, with the availability of BMIs for school, this could supplement the learning experiences of both students and teachers. They will also be able to appreciate our traditional instruments and culture as well, because they will not only have the chance to hear how the instrument sounds, but they will also experience how these instruments are made, tuned, and played. And we also did market research where we were able to interview 21 BMI makers, which includes the commercial producers, the IP groups, and the schools. And we were able to document their processes, the tools and equipment that they use for BMI making, the prices of the products, and the buyers. We also have to undergo training course on bamboo musical instruments making and tuning because we need the skills for the prototyping activity. And we have experienced delays in delivery of processing equipment because of the shipping problem on the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic. There were also some delays in the release of funds and project renewal, which affected our activities, specifically on meeting our deliverables, as we have to stick with our work plan, dealing with community quarantine protocols, where we experience problem on work scheduling and procurement of materials for prototyping, especially during lockdowns. For the call to action from the target audience, there is a need to intensify the promotion of FPRDI services and facilities for bamboo musical instruments production. And we also have to encourage startups to venture into this kind of activity. And there is a need also to have a follow-up project on miniaturization of bamboo musical instruments for classroom teaching, ease in transport and handling of the instruments during performances, and the use of other bamboo species for making other instruments. Because of the limited time for prototype making, we have not explored using other bamboo species.